For the real. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. And today is the 29th day of May 2022. And welcome from wherever you are looking at from. Kawuono, we want to talk about Everyday Luo. So today we're talking about Everyday Luo. Doluo ma pile. So these are lessons. I just copied the video in YouTube, but now I just modified it to fit into the Luo language. They are lessons about everyday Luo, everyday conversations that you may have with somebody. And I hope that you're going to enjoy this. If you enjoy, please put a like, put a thumbs up, and share the video with your friends so that they can also learn the Luo language. Now, before we continue, I want to introduce my Luo language. Luo language on YouTube. If you go to Luo language on YouTube, you'll find us here, Luo English Dictionary. But you can also join. Now we have introduced one more membership, which is, and if you want to, please, you can always support us. You can click on join. Amoro Nyabuarikora. Asante sana. Thank you for joining us, Nyabuarikora. So let's talk about Kanye. Iwok Kanye. Where are you from? Iwok Kanye. So what is the conversation? This is divided into two. One person is on the top, the other person is on the bottom. Suza Johanna Asante sana. Jennifer Rucha, thank you so very much. Patrick Mukangai, Asante sana. And thank you so much. So you will start by saying Oyawore. And the other person will respond Oyawore ahinya. Hi, hello, hi. Oyawore, oyawore ahinya. Then we shall move to how are you? In Idi Nade. Idi Nade. I'm fine, how are you? Adi Maber. Idi Nade. Okay? Idi Nade. Adi Maber. Idi Nade. Good. Do you speak Luo? So it will be Maber. Be Iwacho Doluo. Do you speak Luo? Be Iwacho Doluo. A little. Martin. Be in Jaluo. Martin. Be in Jaluo. So, a little, are you a Luo? Martin, be in Jaluo. Then they would say, yes. Where are you from? Iwok Kanye. Iwok Kanye. And the answer would be, Awok Kisumu. Nice to meet you. Amor ahinya mar romo kodi. Amor ahinya mar romo kodi. Then that is the an bende amor ahinya mar romo kodi. Then that's the end, or in the end we say giko. So that's the first lesson. Quick lesson, and you can always like go back and quickly, let me read it again. Oyaore. Oyaore ahinya. Idi nade. Adi maber. Idi nade. Maber. Be iwacho dholuo. Matin. Be in jaluo. Iwuok kanye? Awuok Kisumu. Amor ahinya mar romo kodi. Then the other one says, An bende amor ahinya mar romo kodi. And that's the end of lesson 1. So let's move on to lesson number 2, which is, do you speak Luo? Be iwacho dholuo. Be iwacho dholuo. Ma puonj mar ariyo. Puonj mar ariyo. Be iwacho dholuo. The first one, excuse me, are you Luo? You can say apenji. Be in jaluo. Then if they say no, it is oyo. Oyo. Okan jaluo. Do you speak Luo? Be iwacho dholuo. A little but not very well. Matin ok awache maler ahinya. Matin ok awache maler ahinya. Okay? How long have you been here? Isebet ka e kinde machalo nade? Marom nade? Isebet ka e kinde marom nade? How long have you been here? 2 months. Dweche ariyo. Dweche ariyo. What do you do for work? Itimo ang'o kaka tich ni mapile? Itimo ang'o kaka tich ni mapile? I'm a student. How about you? An japuonjre. An japuonjre. Into? An japuonjre. Into? Then they will say, An bende an japuonjre. An bende an japuonjre. So that is a small lesson, lesson number 2 of just knowing what someone says and whether they speak Luo and what they do for a living. Remember, I also have videos of I have a video of the various jobs, so you can always go back and ask. If someone asks you what you do for a living, you can watch that video so that you know how you call your profession or how your profession is known as in the Luo language, okay? I hope that will help you out. Then let's move on to lesson number 3. And lesson number 3, what is your name? In short, we say nyingi and nga. Nyingi and nga. That's lesson number 3. So, we shall stay by saying, excuse me, what's your name? Apenji. Nyingi and nga. Nyingi and nga. My name is Otieno. What's yours? Nyinga and Otieno. Into nyingi and nga. Nyinga and Otieno. Into nyingi and nga. Alright, then they will say Nyinga and Awino. You speak Luo very well. Iwacho dholuo maler ahinya. Iwacho dholuo maler ahinya. And they will say, oh, where is it? I left one thing. I think there's one thing that I have to put here because it will not flow. This one should be, what time is it? So this one should not be there. So, sorry about that. That's the thing about live editing. What time is it? You'd say, Ensa Adi. Ensa Adi. En sa adi? And then they will say, it's 5:10 p.m. En sa apar gi achiel gi nus odhiambo. En sa apar gi achiel gi nus odhiambo. It's 5:10 p.m. What did you say? Iwacho nango? Iwacho nango? Then they will repeat and say, awacho ni en sa apar gi achiel gi nus odhiambo. Awacho ni en sa apar gi achiel gi nus odhiambo. Then thanks you say erokamano. Okay? Erokamano. Awacho ni you're welcome. Maria Achieng says nus is not half. Nus is half. Arwaki. Nus is the same as nusu. So we just took the word nus and just said, okay, we don't want to think of our own word and say, okay, well, let's put it as nus. Even for the quarter, we took their word. We just said robo. Imagine. Okay? Welcome, Arwaki. Then that is the end or Giko. Good. That is lesson number 3. Let's move on to lesson number 4, which is asking direction. Penjo. Penjo direction is what? Direction is Penjo yo. Start. So asking direction. Penjo yo. Start. Hello japuonj. Oyaore japuonj. Hello teacher. That one I mistranslated. Hello oyaore japuonj. Hello student, what's up? Oyaore japuonjre. En wach mane. What's up is en wach mane. Oyaore japuonjre. En wach mane. And then japuonjre will say, I'm looking for the market. Can you tell me how to get there? Amanyo chiro. Be inyalo nyisa kaka anyalo chopo kuro. Amanyo chiro. Be inyalo nyisa kaka anyalo chopo kuro. I'm looking for the market. Can you tell me where it is? No, sorry, I don't know. Oyo. Mos. Akia. Oyo. Mos. Akia. Margaret Kalori, asante sana. Jennifer Rucha, asante sana. Suza Johanna, asante sana. Thank you so very much. And Omoro Nyabarikora, thank you so very much. Patrick Mukangai, thank you so very much. Naomi, thank you very much. Rudney Robert Yogo, thank you so very much. Dennis Omolo, thank you very much. June De La Cruz, thank you so very much. And everybody else who is following, please remember to share the video with your friends so that we can get 1,000 people here. All right, I think I can take you to the bus. I think I can take the bus to the market. Do you know where the bus station is? Aparo ni anyalo tero kawo The bus is just called bus. Ka adhi e chiro. Hey, asante sana. So many people are liking the stream. Thank you so much, those who are liking the stream. Aparo ni anyalo kao bus ka adhi e chiro. Do you know where the bus station is? Be ing'eyo kama anyalo. Now we say be ing'eyo kama stand mar bus nitiere. You know, like the bus stand, that is also the same thing you say in a bus station, like bus stand, but we just say stand. Bende ing'eyo kama stand mar bus nitiere. Sure, it's over there. Hey, en kacha. Sure, it's over there. Hey, en kacha. And then they'll say, where? I don't see it. Kanye. Ok anene. Then they'll say, across the street, that is, loka kocha marandara. Across the street, loka kocha marandara. Then you say, oh, I see it now, thanks. Oh, koro anene. Ero kamano. Oh, koro anene. Ero kamano. Then they say, no problem. Onge sida. Onge sida, no problem. Okay? Then you say, do you know if there's a restroom around here? Be ing'eyo ka nitiere ot matin kama chiegni ka. Be ing'eyo ka nitiere ot matin kama chiegni ka. Nitiere achiel ka en e duka. Nitiere achiel ka en e duka. En e duka, it's in the store. Thank you. Erokamano. Bye. Oriti. All right. Then they say bye-bye. Oriti ahinya. And that is the end or giko. So that is lesson number, what lesson? I forgot. Lesson number 3 or 4? That's lesson number 4, asking for directions. So I want to go through lesson number 1 through lesson number 4, now that I've already typed it in. And then we should just be able to complete the work for the day. Because it's already 18 minutes in. I don't want to go so many minutes, because some people said I should only be doing like 20 to 25 minutes so that they can be able to watch the videos later. So lesson 1, where are you from? Iwuok kanye. Oyaore. Oyaore ahinya. Okay? Nope. I'm trying to... Yep. There you go. Oyaore. Oyaore ahinya. Idhi nade. Adhi maber. Idhi nade. Maber. Be iwacho dholuo? Matin. Be in jaluo? Iwuok kanye? Awuok Kisumu. Amor ahinya mar romo kodi. Puonj mar 2, second lesson. Be iwacho dholuo? So chakruok, start. Be iwacho dholuo? Matin. Ok awache maler ahinya. Isebet ka e kinde marom nade? Dweche 2. Itimo ang'o kaka tich ni mapile? An japuonjre. In to? An bende an japuonjre. And that's the end. Then lesson number 3. Puonj mar adek. Nyingi en ng'a? What's your name? So chakruok, this beginning. Apenji, nyingi en ng'a? Nyinga en Otieno. In to nyingi en ng'a? Awino. Iwacho dholuo maler ahinya. En sa adi? En sa 10:1 odhiambo. Iwacho nang'o? En sa 10:1 odhiambo. Iwacho nang'o? Awacho ni en sa 11:1 odhiambo. Erokamano. Then the fourth lesson is penjoyo, asking for the directions. Oyaore japuonj. Oyaore japuonjre. En wach mane? Amanyo chiro. Be inyalo nyisa kaka anyalo chopo kuno? Oyo, mos, akia. Aparo ni anyalo kao bas ka adhi e chiro. Be ing'eyo kama stand mar bas nitiere? En kacha. Kanye? Ok anene? Loka kocha mar ndara. Be ing'eyo ka nitiere ot matin kama chiegni ka? Nitiere achiel ka. En ei duka. Erokamano. Oriti. Oriti ahinya. And that's the end. So I hope you enjoyed the 4 lessons and you'll be able to be competent to speak those 4 lessons with your friends or practice with your enemies. If you have enemies, you can practice with them. And our sole intention is that you learn Luo language. So if you're learning, we are happy. And with those many remarks, and if you want to say hi, you can say so on the chat box. With those many remarks, I will say that we've come to the end. We shall do 4 lessons today, and then I will do some other lessons. Now I'll put this video, I'll do a video with all the 13 lessons together and post it as a video that will not be live streamed. So just look out for it. It has all the lessons, and I'm just copying one of the videos, a very popular English video on YouTube. So I'm just copying it and translating what they're saying. I hope this makes you. Gerald M. Smart, thank you so much. Thank you so very much for your like and for your message and for visiting our channel. I hope that you learned something about the Luo language. Maria Achieng erokamano ahinya. Thank you so very much for supporting me and for staying with me for the entire period. Asanteni sana. And with those few remarks, I say, let's get ready to rumble!